question, can you blow a balloon not using your mouth, nose or belly button? Do you have any ideas? Let's try to do it. Maybe I can use a kettle. No, it's not working. I can use this one. Almost. No, it's not working. No. Maybe. No, it's not working. Oh, I have an idea. A vacuum cleaner. Wow. Oh, we'll try to do it. I'll try to do it. Now. Oh, I have an idea. Let's make an experiment and try to blow our balloon using chemical reaction. I hope you enjoyed our experiment, so please subscribe to our channel and give me likes. Bye bye, see you next time.